Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing paint nails with me, and this is part of my nail vlogmas series. So today I wanted to just chat with you guys and let you guys know what is going on and just talk with you, because I have done so many videos right now with nail designs that are inspired by Christmas and winter and just holidays in general. So I wanted to film this and just talk with you. I'm currently sick, so I'm sorry if I sound a little bit different. That is the reason, but don't worry, it's nothing dramatic. I will be good. But it does get in the way of me doing videos, but don't worry, I will try my best to upload every single day, just like I said, and I hope you will enjoy it as much as I put work into it. I have noticed that a little bit of interest has dropped, and I think that it's normal because I do upload every day. But I want to hear, do you guys like the videos that I have done so far? And let me know that in a comment section. I currently picked out this nail polish that is like gold. It's so pretty. I will write in description box what nail polishes did I use, and I always write it, so please check out description box for answers because I do write everything there. And I just love it. I think it's perfect nail polish for holidays. It's such a beautiful, like, festive color, and I think this is a perfect time where you can wear it. And I can definitely imagine it on myself, like me wearing this nail polish and some white knit sweater and just like being very cozy and comfy, but still staying like on the like cute side, because that is something that I love. I love dressing up and I love doing my nails and everything, which you guys know by now. And I also got a comment that you guys want me to do like face reveal. Is that something that you would be interested in? I mean, I thought that people maybe knew my face by now, but I realized that not everyone follows me on Instagram and that not everyone has seen my like old videos, and I like to say that it's a glow up. But if you want to see my face reveal video, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And did you guys miss paint nails with me? Because I did. I love them. This is one of my favorite types of videos to do, and I just love talking with you. I hope you guys have a great day. Check out my description box so you can find playlist that has like all my Vlogmas videos in, and there you can find inspiration for more like holiday nail art. I hope your day is good, and even if it's not, please know that things change and there is always a light at the end of the tunnel, and there is so much we can do if we put our minds into it. I'm going to go now and have some tea because I have been talking for a while now and I can barely talk due to the cold. But I really hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.